Hey, this is David. I wanted to show you, I told you yesterday in an email I would show you how I'm using Fanboom, and I got delayed by a bunch of stuff that I was doing. Plus, there was something that didn't work in Fanboom, and I'm going to show you what happened and why it didn't work for me. But I'm a huge fan of this. This is the Fanboom dashboard. Look familiar? It looks just like WordPress because it is WordPress. And that's why this is working so well and so easily. So once you understand WordPress on the inside, you can learn how to use Fanboom pretty easily. Now I upgraded to the Elite membership, and the link that I've sent you is the Pro. And the reason I upgraded to the Elite, excuse me, is so that I could get the landing pages plug-in and some of the other competitions, and I don't know, some of these other plugins that were pretty important for me to go forward with. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I'm using Fanboom and why I'm excited about it, because it now changes the way we advertise a lot of our weekly live training and a lot of our courses and a lot of our launches on Facebook. So you just create your site, which I've done. This is my novice to advanced marketing site, and you can see it's on the fanboom.net site. So that is my link to my site. Now, when I come and I can create a number of sites. So if I've got multiple pages, I can create additional sites here as well. But I only have one right now. Now I've created a page. You can see here are my page. I have a become a NAMS affiliate draft, and I have this write a profitable Kindle ebook in 14 days or less. Now that is the Rachel Rofe weekly live training last week that we did, which was awesome. And we are going to push that for the next 24 hours. So I want to create an ad in Facebook that we can run to make more people aware of that and be more proactive in our targeted advertising. So what I did was use my blog post software here to create a Kindle post using Rachel's information that we had earlier. I just took it from my website, dropped it in here, and created an additional blog post, and I gave it the name Write a Profitable Kindle Book in 14 Days or Less. This is a YouTube video which just plugs right in, and it actually works just like WordPress. So you have no issues there with WordPress. If you know WordPress, you're going to know how to do this. And so what I've done is this is my text view. So that's all the code. And this is the visual view. Very similar, very easy interface. Now this is just a straight post. I'm not going to get into all of the things you can do with it, like adding fan gates and adding a link opt-in page, adding a landing page, all of that stuff. You can even manage competitions here, and you can integrate your autoresponder. And I'm not going to show you all of that here. I'm just going to show you this one thing. Okay. You can select a layout. I've created a layout for NAMS affiliates, and it comes with two different layouts. Now you can create as many layouts as you want with the layout creator, and it has down here the additional CSS for this page that you can add. And I'm going to add the CSS that does not display the page title, because I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go to the support desk and grab that information and be right back. So here's the support desk inside of the Fanboom app, and you can see right here it says how to hide a page title. I click on that, and this is the CSS for adding the or for removing the page title. I'm just going to do what I'm told, which is grab this, copy it. Now I'm going to go back to my page. By the way, I've been in communication with the support folks a lot because I wanted to make sure I was using it properly and quickly, and I ran into a couple of snags that I didn't know how to use, and they've responded within hours, and I'm talking an hour or two in most cases. So I'm going to add that there in the custom CSS for this page, and it will remove the page title. So I'm going to update that. Now you'll notice on this page it says click here, click the image to get an awesome deal on Rachel's new Kindle course. That'll take you to the Rachel's sales page. And here's a continue button that also takes to the to Rachel's sales page. So we have that now on Fanboom. We have it now in our Fanboom system for all pages ready to go. I can view the page from here, and I can take a look at all the page. Now what I want to do is go to my tab manager. So I'm going to add a tab here, and you can see how I do that. First, I have to connect to Facebook. Now I'm connected to Facebook, and I already have it set up, but I'll add it again so you can see how we do it and how we manage the tab. So I already have my pages on Facebook set up, and you do have to have your pages created on Facebook. And I'm going to go in here and grab the information. I have it copied already, so I can just grab it. And I'm going to call this Ultimate Kindle Course 2. I'm going to, the tab source for me is going to be a URL. Okay, so here is an important thing that you have to keep in mind. See, it says http://. We do not put in the http://. You want only the 2 forward slashes to make sure that you've got your right, that Facebook reads it correctly, so you leave it that way without the http in the front. I want it to be auto height. And this is where I would activate the light gateway or the lead magnet gateway, but I'm not going to do any of that right now. Okay, so I want to come back up here and grab the image. This is my tab image, and that is here, tab. Okay. Then I have down here, I have the share title. So this is what people will see when they share this page, and I will want people to share as much as possible. And I have here the Ultimate Facebook. That goes there. Now I have a share description. Now let's just say that I add here. How would you like 3K per month from one Kindle book like Rachel Rofe? She reveals. Okay. Her step-by-step system, and create a publishing empire that brings you passive income month after month. Okay, I like that. That's good. Now I just choose the page over here. I have multiple pages here, and I just choose the page I want to publish it on, and then I click publish, and I'll publish that. Okay, there is my page, and it's on my tab, and it says it's on my NAMS page. So if I go to my NAMS page and I click on, where is my NAMS page? There it is. This is the first one that I created as a test, and I want to click on this so I can see it down here, and I will click on that one, which is Ultimate Kindle Course 2, and here is the page. So you can see that's on Facebook, and I can edit it and spice it up, and this is a clickable link, and here's the video, so we can start the video there, and this is a clickable buy link as well with Rachel's information down here. And this is the page. Now as I add additional ones, we'll have more tabs across the top here that link to different pages as well, but we will come to the specific page. This is just like having a blog inside of Facebook, and I love it because I can actually take this URL here, and I can go create an ad. And the reason this is important is because when I create an ad in here, I'm sending people inside of Facebook, and Facebook ads are substantially cheaper when you keep them inside Facebook ads. So that's why this is important. And you can do all of that from inside of the Fanboom application. Now the thing is, this is going to go to the monthly recurring price within 24 hours. So that's why I wanted to get this to you as fast as I could, because at this $27 price, this is a no-brainer to be able to use your Facebook and Facebook pages for business, and to use this tool to create lead magnets, competitions, forms, landing pages, all kinds of great stuff. Now, and the last thing I'll show you is the tutorials that Stuart, the owner of this site, has created. And there are tutorials for every level, and you want to start from the beginning, because at the beginning they go through each of the systems. So how to change your theme, creating multiple page layouts. The tutorials are awesome. You can spend a lot of time in here in tutorials, and I have spent a lot of time in tutorials to go through each of the pieces of what this application does. So when I get over to Elite, which is where I finally ended up on this, these are the features that you get in the Elite. In the tutorials, you get the competition manager. Let's see, you get landing page templates. You get some training on how to sell affiliate products. And a contact form customer survey is how you how you can use the forms to create that in the Elite as well. So that's why I upgraded to the Elite, really to get the landing pages and the competition manager, so you can run contests as well. In the Pro that I'm sending you the link for right now, you get the premium themes, which there's I think 62 themes last count. You get lead magnets and buttons and countdown timer, and you can create a blog from within your own Facebook page using Fanboom, which is what I showed you. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy the Fanboom. I hope you get it, because I think it's something that you're definitely going to enjoy and want to use. You're going to spend a lot of time in the tutorials, but this is a really powerful program.